Alright, so we got them spraying the skies everywhere we go, correct? That is excuse me. Didn't mean to do that to you. We're taking a little break. Looks like we got a Freemason owl on top of the building. Remember, the Freemasons are the slave race to the alien invasion called Project Bluebeam. So let's say they don't do the nuclear attack. And they're doing all this. This is because we're being put in prison. They're terraforming the sky because the aliens can only live under white sunlight. They cannot live under yellow sunlight. And of course, you got the vans following me everywhere I go, wondering who is this guy and what's he talking about. So all the spraying, all that is a part of Project Bluebeam. See, we thought, or at least I did as the Oracle, that they might still use hydrogen bombs and do mud floods, but you see that device over there? It's got a military drum on it. I think at some point the world leaders are going to say, listen, we've been invaded by aliens. The aliens have taken over the world, and if we don't do what the Greys want, that's a gray van, the aliens will come get you and take you away. So go shopping, buy shit, consume, just like they live, or they'll put you in a box. But I think I'll, of course, do a writing about it. And all this deadlight, these weapons, this is so the aliens can tell us, to stay in line. The world has been conquered. Planet Earth has been invaded. All your life, you've been watching all these movies, from Lost in Space to Alien Invasions. And so you're primed and prepped from grandma to newborns to follow the crow. I think that's the plan. The plan is to make us believe all over the world that aliens have taken over the world. And the reason you got 5G tech from here to China to Russia is because we are now the slave labor. Okay, everything's made in China? Probably not. It's probably made here too. Like places like this, there's a lot of power going nowhere, but I'm sure those are probably slave camps for people who have to be slaves. So that's my best guess right now at what's going on with all the madness of the spraying, is to say that aliens have taken over and that we are to bow down to the Greys. And, they watch us and they monitor us. And that's not the U.S. military. That's technology from the aliens. That's Project Bluebeam. That is to own your ass. Okay? Trust me, they're just people like you and I pretending to be fucking aliens, or a bullet will still put them down. But I just thought you might want to know what they're doing here with all this intimidation tech and why they're spraying the skies. Because they're going to say, oh, it's Project Bluebeam. We've been invaded by aliens. Roger Wilco, Johnny Exodice, out.